You gotta put your past behind you. Look, kid. Bad things happen, and you can't do anything about it, right? Wrong! When the world turns its back on you, you turn your...
Hey everyone! Hey from Mirissa. So I'm currently in Sri Lanka, and yesterday I reached Sri Lanka, and straight away from the airport we took a taxi and we came to Mirissa, which is in the south of Sri Lanka. Yesterday we were tired. I couldn't film anything. We just grabbed food, had a stroll in the area, and yeah, that's it. Today we came to the beach and we are now in the secret beach of Mirissa, and it's stunning, guys. It's stunning. I'm just chilling on my sunbed with my coconuts, and look at the view behind me. Look at those palm trees. Oh my goodness, this place is magical. It's amazing. So yeah, we're enjoying the view and the weather and the sun. So for those who don't know, who have no idea about Sri Lanka, mainly this is the Indian Sea, the ocean, and actually there are big waves in Sri Lanka. It's not like turquoise water, and yeah, so this is, I think, the only area where you can find, like, we still have big waves, but because of the rocks we have like a small pool in front of us, which is amazing. And yeah, so Sri Lanka is famous for the big waves, the surf. So probably tomorrow I will get my first surf lesson. So wish me luck. So yeah, and this trip is just to rest, to enjoy the sun, to take some yoga and surf classes, and yeah, to eat yummy food. I'm not gonna explore other areas. I just have like 1 week. My trip to Sri Lanka will be only 1 week, so I will just enjoy the south and yeah, relax. Ordering the peace bowl and then the tropic, like it's hot bowl. Guys, you have no idea how much there are mosquitoes. There are so many mosquitoes here. My leg is literally destroyed. Look at this. My legs are, oh my god, look at this. Wow! Oh my god! Oh my god! It looks so yum. Thank you. This is my peace bowl, and this is the ooh la la la. Guys, we had the pork bowl, and it was amazing, so tasty. And now we're gonna have the dessert, which is our smoothie bowl, smoothie pineapple. So let's try it. It's made of banana, mango, and it's so good. Oh my god, so tasty, guys. Good afternoon. Actually, it's 3 p.m. Today we decided to chill by the pool in our hotel, and yeah, we wanted to rest because actually yesterday we went to Gaul and it was amazing. And Gaul was so beautiful, but we were tired enough after that. So yeah, we decided to rest today, and yeah, now we had lunch in a place called Squeeze Me, and we're going to the city for a walk. Probably we will buy some souvenirs. So we eventually decided to come to the Parrot Rock. As you can see here, it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness, how? Actually getting up is a little bit scary, but we made it on the top. And oh my god, the view is just stunning, guys. Look at the surfers, and they're also, wow. Came on top of the coconut hill. It was a rough hike. It was quite hard, to be honest, but the view is totally... Look at this view, guys. I came to this souvenir shop in Mirissa in the main road, and look at how beautiful are those. Oh my god, the elephant and the details are amazing. Wow, look at this. Mr. Leon is gonna explain the meaning of the mask. So can you explain for us?
Yeah, there are 5 traditional masks in Sri Lanka. The most common is a peacock.
Okay, which is this
We
one.
call it the good luck mask, which is for peace, prosperity and happiness.
Oh, amazing. The peacock is for peace, prosperity and happiness. Okay.
Then comes the Gini Raksham, is the fire. The fire is for friendship and harmony.
Okay.
Friendship and harmony. Then the Naga. Naga means the cobra.
Cobra.
The cobra mask is for protection.
As you can see the cobra here.
Yes, that's protection. Then comes the Gurula, or they call it the Garuda, because that's a bird. It's a bird.
Gorilla, you mean the
Gurula.
a type of monkey, you mean? No.
No, it's a bird.
It's a bird.
Yeah, you see the bird with the beak.
Oh, okay. So it's this one.
Yeah, usually they call it Gurula, but it's known with the foreigners as Garuda as well.
Okay.
Garuda is actually a bird.
Okay. Okay.
So this is for popularity and power. Popularity and
Perfect.
power.
Yeah.
Then we have the Gara. The Gara. Now this mask is for protection against all evil spirits.
Oh, amazing.
Spirits.
You know, in Turkey they have the blue eye. The blue eye, they put it everywhere.
For evil eye.
Yeah, exactly. So this has the same.
A traditional thing in Sri Lanka.
Yeah, in Sri Lanka.
Which
Yeah.
comes from the old days.
Yeah. Oh, it's interesting. Hello and good morning from paradise. Look at the palm trees on top of me. Sri Lanka is so beautiful. Palm trees and the vibe is just stunning. So today is our last full day here in Sri Lanka, and we decided to rest a bit today also. Yes, last night we had a massage and my battery died actually, so we had lunch in the restaurant called Squeeze Me, and then we went to the Coconut Hill. It was stunning, but yeah, as I told you, my battery died. I couldn't really film the view and the surfers, but it was stunning. And yeah, and then on our way back to the hotel, we went to a spa and we had a massage, me and my mom, and it was so relaxing. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Now we're heading to a place called Shady Lane, and I think I'm lost. Let me check. And after I'm gonna swim with the turtles. Hopefully I will find sea turtles. So let's see. Oh my, no, it's the wrong way actually. So this is the menu. We came to Shady Lane and we ordered 2 tropical crush, which has mango, banana, pineapple, passion fruit, ginger and coconut water. And they also have food. They have like burgers and bowls. A sea turtle right now. Oh my god, it was so close. But the thing is that the water is now it's I think 4 or 5 p.m. so the water is not that clear. This is why it was not very visible, but yeah, I'm so excited. Oh my god. And as you can see the background, but just behind me we have the coconut hill just here. Look at this. This is the coconut hill, and this is heaven, guys. Literally heaven on earth. Hey guys, so after going to Shady Lane, we had like juices, and then we came to this place. I told you earlier that I wanted to watch the sea turtles, so this is why I came to this restaurant. Actually, this is called the Turtle Bay Beach Resort, and we came here to see the turtle. So my food has finally come. I ordered lobster, and my mom ordered vegetable rice and curry. It comes with multiple sauces, and this is the view. Look at my friend. Hello.